Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Harvest Finance. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Harvest Finance broke out a multi-year space resistance on a weekly time frame chart, and this was the video. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, it is rejected by this next resistance of $41. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Harvest Finance. By the way, I shared this idea on 8th of October, and so far this move has produced almost 109% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Harvest Finance that I shared a few days ago, almost a month ago, on 8th of October with you. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartler pattern that Harvest Finance formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that this price line started a very massive price reversal from this buying zone. By the way, first it dropped slightly down, then this potential reversals on here, but it covered back very soon. And then we had almost 109% rally so far. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Harvest Finance, and this is the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that since after November 2020 it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. You can see we got several touch points here, one two three four touch points almost here at the support. We had a nice bounce, we got rejection here and bounce here, then rejection here, then we had another rejection here, bounce here, rejection here, bounce. And finally, we broke out the resistance of this wedge pattern. Now, if I place a measurement tool from this low, when we were testing the support here, to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 124%. But there is still a very, very big move too. That is a target for this breakout from this wedge. And I'll tell you what can be the target. But right now you can see we are struggling to break out the next resistance of $41. That was previously breaking as a very strong support here when we had this big drop. And here you can see it was breaking as a very strong resistance for several weeks. And again, it is breaking as a strong resistance and we got rejection. And now we are dropped down and testing this next long-term support of $30 that was previously breaking as a resistance. And after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. And previously, it was breaking as support here and support here as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target, and I'm expecting that after breaking out this resistance of $41, it can turn even more strong bullish, and soon we can hit the target for this breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. And that target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $900 to $1,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.